Plato once said, "Reality is created by the mind. We can change our reality by changing our mind." Now let's ponder upon that. What if the reality we know and understand is simply a mirage, a figment of our imagination, constructed by our senses? Consider this. We've all experienced optical illusions, tricks of the eye that make us see things that aren't there. In the same vein, isn't it possible that our entire reality is one big illusion, a grand spectacle created by our brains, our very own private theatre? Or think about a desert mirage where parched travellers see visions of water that aren't really there. Their desperate minds create an oasis where none exists. Isn't it possible that our minds are doing the same thing, creating a world of solidity where there's only energy? As we unravel the mysteries of life, we begin to understand that nothing is as it seems. Imagine if we told you that everything around you, from the smallest grain of sand to the vast cosmos, is nothing but energy. It's a bold statement, isn't it? But what if we break it down and simplify it? Imagine your favorite piece of music. You can't hold it in your hands, yet it exists. It fills you with joy or sadness, making your heart race or slow down. It's energy translated into sound waves that your brain decodes into an experience. Now, let's take this analogy further. Picture a bustling city teeming with life. The skyscrapers, the people, the vehicles all appear solid, right? But science tells us they're not. They're made up of atoms. And atoms, my friend, are 99.9999999% empty space. What's left over? Energy. Even the solid world around us is a symphony of energetic particles playing a tune we perceive as reality. Think about a rock. It seems immovable, eternal. But under the lens of a powerful microscope, that rock is a frenzied dance of atoms, never resting, always in motion. So in a way, even a rock is more like a roaring river than a silent monument. And what about us humans? We're no different. We're a walking, talking collection of about 7 octillion atoms. That's a 7 followed by 27 zeros. Each and every atom in our body is in a constant state of motion, emitting energy. We're not just in the universe, we are the universe. We're made of the same stuff as the stars above us. This energy isn't just within us, it's all around us. It binds us together. It's in the air we breathe, the food we eat, the words we speak. It's what powers our thoughts, our dreams, our emotions. So in essence, we and everything around us are all interconnected through this universal energy. Our perceptions, our senses, are they truly trustworthy, or are they merely presenting us with an illusion? We like to think of our senses as infallible, as clear windows into reality. But what if they're not? Consider phenomena like phantom limb syndrome, where amputees still feel sensations from a limb that's no longer there. Or hallucinations where our mind conjures up images, sounds, even smells that aren't present in our physical environment. These examples demonstrate how our mind can create a reality that doesn't exist. But it's not just in extreme circumstances like these that our perceptions can deceive us. Every day, our senses filter and interpret the energy around us, shaping it into a reality we can understand. But this reality is not absolute. It's subjective, influenced by our past experiences, our expectations, and our biases. Our perceptions, it seems, are not always the reliable narrators we believe them to be. We've journeyed through the concept of reality and illusion and discovered the energy that binds us all. We've pierced the veil of our perception to reveal a world that's more vibrant and complex than we could have ever imagined. We've learned that the universe isn't something that exists separate from us, but something that we're intrinsically part of. This exploration has shown us that our beliefs, values, and even our very sense of self are shaped by our minds, and yet they are no less real for being so. They're simply different aspects of the same universal energy that courses through everything. So I invite you to reflect on your own perceptions of reality. Consider how your understanding of the world might be influenced by your own mind, and how understanding this can empower you to shape your reality in a way that brings you joy and fulfillment. As we part ways, remember this: the universe is not outside of you. Look inside yourself. Everything that you want, you are already that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content.